Welcome to Saturn Therapies and to today's meditation. Listening to this every morning will change how you start your day forever. Are you ready to crush anxiety and take on the day with unshakable confidence? Imagine waking up every morning feeling calm, centered and completely unshakable. Well, what if I told you that just a few minutes each day could free you from anxiety's tight grip and replace it with deep, lasting peace and powerful confidence? This simple practice holds the key to transforming your entire day, and it can start right now. So let's begin by taking a deep breath. Slowly breathe in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand, and now gently release that breath through your mouth and letting go of any tension. And let's just do that again. Inhale deeply, drawing in the peacefulness, the soothing energy, and exhale slowly, releasing worry, doubt and stress. Now, close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so, and allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to relax, and your body to soften. And in this moment, there is nothing that you need to do but simply be. And relax, relaxing more and more as you follow along with my voice, and allow your higher self and deep inner wisdom to communicate with you. Focus on your breathing, and with each breath going deeper and deeper within, connecting to your inner relaxation and going deeper within. The feeling of deep relaxation with each breath, just taking you deeper and deeper. Let that relaxation flow into your muscles. As you breathe, you relax your muscles more and more. Just relaxing the muscles in your face, relaxing your jaw, and relaxing your neck, relaxing your whole head, and relaxing into a comfortable and enjoyable relaxation. Relax the muscles in your shoulders. Let any sense of tension or weight on your shoulders just lighten for now. Relax your back. Relax your core. Relaxing the muscles in your arms. Feeling your arms and your fingers become more loose and limp and relax. Relaxing all the muscles in your legs. Feel your legs and feel them become more loose and limp and relaxed. Relaxing the whole body, every muscle and every cell. And now feel all the muscles of your body relaxing, becoming more and more relaxed. lighter, and connecting with your inner relaxation and just going deeper and deeper within. Going to that feeling of relaxation. Relaxing every muscle in your body. Now feel all the muscles of your body become relaxed and lighter and more relaxed. Connecting with your inner relaxation, going deeper and deeper within, into the feelings of deep relaxation with each breath. Allowing it to take you deeper and deeper now. Now imagine facing a light or feel a light flowing through the top of your head, a healing, loving white light to bring you peace, peace that can bring you healing to every molecule of your body, and just let that light flow into your body. Now imagine it has a colour. What colour will you discover? Or it may just remain a white light or even a transparent light. Either way, just let the light flow into your face and into your jaw. Let the light flow into your neck and your throat, so that your whole head fills with this healing, loving, wise, light energy that can surround you and flow within you, allowing you to go deeper and deeper. Let the light flow into your shoulders and then flow down your back. Notice if it can sparkle or tingle, and fill your core. Notice how the light can flow through your spine from the base of your neck down to the very base of your spine. And then let the light flow up through your chest. Let the light flow through your lungs. Let it spread through every cell of your body with every breath. Let the light flow through your heart center, connecting with the healing, loving, wise energy in your heart that can spread through every cell of your body with every heartbeat. Then let the light flow down into your legs, flowing through your hips and down through your upper legs, flowing down through your lower legs, flowing down through the lower legs, filling every cell and fibre with that healing, loving light. Flowing to your feet, flowing to your toes, going deeper and deeper within, into the feeling of deep healing relaxation. Now flowing through your whole body, together surrounding your whole body like a healing, protecting cocoon of light. Imagine this creates a protective layer of light around you, and you can see everything through this light of love and healing, and know that this light is actually always around you. So now, as you relax, I want you to picture yourself now standing at the edge of a beautiful, serene lake. The air is crisp and the gentle warmth of the sun touches your skin. And as you look out at the still, clear water, you notice how calm and peaceful it is, completely undisturbed. Now imagine your anxiety as tiny ripples on the surface of that lake. And with each breath you take, those ripples are gently smoothing out. Feel the calmness of the lake merging with your own energy. The deeper you breathe, the more those ripples fade away, leaving only stillness and tranquility. Take a moment to feel this calmness expanding through your body from the top of your head down through your neck, down over your shoulders, flowing down over your chest, down your arms, over your stomach, and the calmness continues over your hips, down through your legs, and all the way to the tips of your toes. It's as if you are absorbing the serene energy, allowing it to wash away every ounce of anxiety. Now, bring your attention to your heart. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing gently at the center of your chest. The light is your inner strength, your unshakable confidence. And as you focus on this glowing light, feel it grow warmer, feel it grow brighter, feel it grow more powerful. Know that this is your natural state. Pure, calm, steady and strong. Repeat these words silently or out loud. I am calm. I am safe. I am in control. I am powerful. And every time you say these words, feel that golden light within you grow stronger, anchoring your inner peace. Rooting your unshakable confidence. We just repeat the words again. I am calm. Feel the golden light grow stronger. I am safe. Feel the peace being anchored. I am in control. And I am powerful. Feel the unshakable confidence grow through you. Now take another deep breath in, feeling that powerful calmness spreading throughout your entire being. And as you exhale, release any remaining anxiety. Let it dissolve into nothingness. Before you open your eyes, take a moment to notice how different you feel, how light and how peaceful and strong you are. This calmness is yours to carry with you throughout the day. So whenever anxiety tries to creep in, simply return to this feeling. Remind yourself of the golden light within, your inner strength, your unshakable confidence. So now as you take another deep breath in, on the exhale, I want you to gently open your eyes and come back to the present. Come back to your day. And you are ready to face it with a calm and powerful presence. Know that you've got this. And I hope you have a wonderful, calm day. If you enjoyed this meditation and want to continue your journey to calm and confident and continue your personal growth, then make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And let's make every day your best day.